Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 7. I am Vinci Fatimah Sanaz.
And my name is Safira Azka Yuskarina.
Here, we would like to share the result of our discussion about 21st century language teaching challenges, which include factors such as cultural diversity, evolving modes of communication, and the influence of globalization, and how these challenges affect language teachers, as well as the strategies that can be used to address this issue. Okay, so the first, we're gonna talk about cultural diversity. So if we get into language classes, especially international class, there are usually many learners from various cultural knowledge with different understanding. So, since diverse cultures can lead misunderstanding during teaching, so culture is a sensitive topic to discuss that we need to do research first before telling it carefully to our students, so that there will be no arguments or problems that will arise. And one of the strategies that we can use and apply is that educators can encourage collaborative learning that reflects various cultures between students from many different backgrounds.
We're gonna talk about evolving communication modes. There are so many grammatical errors due to the use of formal and informal language in communication, especially in daily speaking. And we can find lots of new slangs that can be confusing for learners in learning because it means different with the actual words it's supposed to be. So educators should balance between formal and informal language when teaching so that students can distinguish its use during daily conversations or during formal events. The third one is about the influence of globalization. Cooperation in an increasingly globalized economy requires people to be fluent in more languages because many languages have begun to become international languages. So now it is better for us to at least master two languages to facilitate all affairs and cooperation.
Language educators need to keep themselves updated in terms of the latest trend and advances in technology, so that the discussion will be in accordance with the factual and actual issues and circumstances. Education also significantly influences educators by shaping their teaching methods, knowledge base, and pedagogical approach. Well-educated educators are often better equipped to understand diverse learning styles, employ effective instructional strategies, and adapt to evolving educational practices. Continuous learning enhances their ability to engage students, stay informed about advancement in their field, and contribute positively to the educational system.
So now we know that there are so many challenges in 21st century language teaching, like cultural diversity, communication modes, and the influence of globalization. As an educator, teachers should have strategies to overcome those challenges. They can use collaborative learning as the approaches, balance the use of formal and informal language, and even the use of some slangs. And they can also shaping their teaching methods, knowledge base, and pedagogical approach. With the strategies, the challenges can be prevented and the students can enhance their knowledge effectively. Thank you so much for listening. Again, we are Group 7 and we are sorry for any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.